Hi, my name is Maria De Vera, and today I'm going to talk about how the stock market was affected by Groundswell's disruption. So here we have an article from the New York Times that talks about how Twitter affected the stock market by releasing a hoax saying that President Obama was injured in an explosion at the White House. After that was shortly released, the report caused the Dow Jones Industrial Average to drop temporarily by 150 points, which they lost $136 billion in market value. When looking at this, you definitely see how social media can affect something as big as the stock market and day trading. And as you read the article, it talks about how because of social media, there's high frequency trading systems that are designed to make trades based on keywords within milliseconds. The hoax message also went out to a new feature on Bloomberg's financial data terminals that delivers select Twitter posts to hedge funds, investment banks, and other users. With the consequence of these actions, now Twitter's, or as we say tweets, are now more highly regulated to control the transfer of information. And of course, there's a term they called flash crash. It's where an automated trading program caused the Dow to sink more than 600 points and left the deep skepticism of social media on the trading floor. So that flash crash is what they were talking about when it came to how that one tweet suddenly just affected the Dow Jones and the New York Stock Exchange, which caused loss of billions of dollars as well as points to go down. So that was very interesting. And then if we look at basically how social media drives trading, but first I'm going to read something that Groundswell said in his book, and that was a social trend in which people use technologies to get the things they need from each other rather than from traditional institutions like corporations. So here it talks about before the rise of big data and social media, computer algorithms affected trading decisions based on the way stocks move historically or in real time. But since now that there's so much more things going on, so much more communication that has opened up through social media, now we are processing much larger and faster information. And as you read more into this, the information can be single, predictable sources such as SEC filings or company press releases. Basically, they're scanning that one document, and they know that document's going to be there, and they know what language will be used. And now with more sophisticated systems, computers can now scan random sources, including news headlines and Twitter posts. So this is how one thing that has led to the disruption of the stock market was because of this disruption that's going on with Twitter feeds and everything else like that, where systems are now scanning all different types of posts, all different types of news headlines. Communication is much faster, and of course, people who are watching, day trading, they're constantly wanting these information. So this is an example of how disruption in the stock market was caused by social media.